my servant, don't lose your way when darkness falls and hope fades away. When hearts grow distant and none seem to care, remember, my love is always there. Through silent nights and tears untold, I hold your heart when the world turns cold. I hear the prayers you never speak. I know the pain that makes you weak. Take one step towards me today, and I will come closer in every way. Though the whole world leaves your side, in my mercy you can always hide. For I am your Lord, forever near. Your shelter, your hope, your answer to every fear. Allah is closer than you think.